Is Google's Gemini truly the next frontier in artificial intelligence, or does OpenAI's ChatGPT still hold the crown? A fascinating conundrum indeed. Recently, Google DeepMind announced Gemini, its latest AI model designed to rival OpenAI's ChatGPT. Both are examples of generative AI, which learns to identify patterns of data, processing this information to generate new data. ChatGPT, however, is a large language model that focuses on producing text. ChatGPT is a web application for conversations relying on the neural network known as GPT, trained on a vast array of text. Google, in a similar vein, has a conversational web application called Versifier, which was based on a model called LaMDA, also trained on dialogue. But Google is now upgrading this with Gemini. Gemini stands out from previous generative AI models like LaMDA as it's a multimodal model. It works directly with multiple modes of data and output, supporting text, images, sound, and video. A new acronym has emerged: LMM, or Large Multimodal Model. Back in September, OpenAI announced a model called GPT-4 Vision that can work with images, sound, and text. However, it's not a fully multimodal model in the way Gemini promises to be. ChatGPT-4, powered by GPT-4v, can work with audio inputs and produce speech outputs. However, OpenAI has confirmed that this is done by converting speech entirely to text on input using a deep learning model called Whisper. ChatGPT-4 also converts text entirely to speech on output, meaning GPT-4v itself is working solely with text. Furthermore, ChatGPT-4 can generate images, but it does so by generating text prompts that are passed to a separate deep learning model called DALL-E 2, which converts text descriptions into images. In contrast, Google designed Gemini to be natively multimodal. The core model directly handles a range of input types and can directly output them as well. The difference between these two approaches might seem academic, but it's crucial. The general conclusion from Google's technical report and other qualitative tests to date is that the currently publicly available version of Gemini, known as Gemini 1.0 ACE, isn't quite as good as GPT-4 and is more similar to GPT 3.5 in its capabilities. Google also announced a more powerful version of Gemini, the Gemini 1.0 Ultra, and presented some results showing it's more powerful than GPT-4. However, assessing this is challenging for two reasons. Google hasn't released Ultra yet, so results can't be independently verified. Secondly, Google chose to release a somewhat elusive demonstration video, which shows the Gemini model commenting interactively and fluidly on a live video feed. So is Google's Gemini the new trailblazer in AI, or does ChatGPT still hold sway? The jury, it seems, is still out.